Hello and welcome to Come Mine With Me. Please take a seat and join me as I install and tune a GTX 1660 Super for Ethereum mining. Now let's dig in.
Right, so 26.64. God, that's a good hash rate to start off. Right, let's take it down to 80 power limit. See if that does anything. If that doesn't, then I'll drop the power limit all the way down. Nope, hasn't done anything. Let's drop it all the way down and see. Nope, hasn't affected it at all. Excellent. Alright, so let's take the memory. Actually, let's start with 400. I'm going to turn that other 1660 Super down. Oh, power limit. Doesn't really affect that power limit a lot on that one. Right, I'll keep that one cooler, because I don't like that one going to 69 degrees. With the core clock lock, it doesn't go that hot, but on this test miner, I haven't got the core clocks on. So I set them around 28.5 mega hash at 400 megahertz on the memory clock. Let's save that to number 1. And let's bump that another 200. $29.14. Still working up slowly. 29.4 looks like it's settled at. Right, so now let's bump it up to 700. 29.8, still going up. Looks like it's settled at 29.83 mega hash. Let's save this profile, seems to be stable enough for now. And let's try bumping it up another 100 to 800. 30.04, so we got over 30. and it's leveled out around 30.25 with 800 on the memory. Can it handle 900? It's funny that exactly the same model that I've got with the same memory can only clock to 675 megahertz on the memory, and it runs a lot hotter and with less mega hash. Right, we got over 30.5 and it's settled around 30.67. Let's push it to 1000. And she's still going up. And we've settled around 31.1 mega hashes a second. So let's save that there. And let's try 1100. And I do imagine it's going to crash on one of these next settings. It's very rare to be able to bring one of these little one fan cards up this high on the 1660 Supers from my experience anyway. Right, so we settled at around 31.53. It's looking lovely. Let's try 1200. And we got a crash. Right, just out of curiosity, before setting the core clock lock, I'm just going to put the power limit back up to 80, see if that does anything to the hash rate. Nope, just the temperature. So we can go ahead and save that, and then let's set the core clock. Right, let's try the core clock at 800 first. Well, it does not like 800. Let's try 1000, which almost every GPU on this rig is. And we've got 31.81, which coincidentally is what a bunch of my 1660 Supers are bang on. They seem to be like just over 31.8 mega hash. It seems to be a sweet spot that a lot of 1660 Supers can reach maximum. But look at that, 68 watts. God, I was wondering if it was going to hold over 500 kilohash per watt then. I didn't think so. But still, that is pretty damn efficient. I bumped it up 50 megahertz on the core clock just to see. But I don't think it'll do anything. It might even hurt it. Yeah, it's hurting it. Yeah, let's try the other way, minus 50. Nah, it's not even going back up. No. Check it back to 0. And it's staying nice at 51 degrees Celsius as well, only needing to use 80% of the fan. So very happy with this. I'm always extremely happy with anything that gets over 450 kilohash per watt, so 467 kilohash per watt is right in that ballpark. Right, we are back up to hash rate. Right, I think these are looking pretty good. I had to turn that one down a little bit because that one was the culprit and that one was running really hot as well. 30.16. Let's bump that power limit back up to 80 and see if it affects the temperature. Now we've got the core clock lock back on. Right, nice. So that's all set up, it's happy with the core clock lock at 1000, and I can just leave it mining away.
Right, well that's it for this video, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content or learned something, please drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy mining!